Hey guys, Chris here from flippingcars.co.uk, and as most of you know, I'm a qualified mechanic, but just because I'm a mechanic it doesn't mean I can do every job on a car, so it's always worthwhile investing a bit of your hard-earned money or a bit of your profit back into some extra training. And this week I've come over to Coventry to do a paintless dent removal course, and what I'm going to demonstrate to you is something I've learned this week, and that's glue pulling a dent out of a panel. There's other ways to do it as well. There's plenty of bars that we can use to get into more sort of easier open areas on the vehicle, but glue pulling is one way to remove dents. Let's have a look at it. So this is the demo car, and as you can see, Alex, my instructor, has made a big dent with a hammer. There we go. And we've got the light onto it so we can have a good look at the depth of that hole. Yeah, what we need is to give that area a good clean. So a bit of solvent spray and a bit of a buff, and just to remove any foreign objects and any grease on the area. We then add some hot glue.
Go on.
Onto one of the lifters.
Go on.
Put plenty on there. You've got to be careful though, because this stuff is piping hot and will burn your skin. And then we add it to the centre of the dent, and this takes about 90 seconds to go off. And when it goes off, you can literally hang off that puller. We then need to put the pulling equipment onto it, and we ease the dent out, and we keep applying pressure until it actually pops, or we feel like the dent has pulled further enough out. We then add a little bit of spray, a bit of glue remover, because that glue is stuck on there good and proper. The glue remover will make it nice and easy to peel off. There we go. Give it a bit of a buff, and then we inspect the dent, and we're looking for high points and low points in that dent. Okay, once we're happy, we tap down any high spots, and then we re-examine that dent from different angles to make sure any high spots are down, and prepare ourselves to move any more of those low spots with another pull. And go all the way.
Give it some depth, yeah.
There we go, put another lifter on. Pull that final dent out, and then we need to buff the area out, so we put a little bit of cutting or polishing fluid on there.
Do it on a yellow cloth.
Give it a bit of a buff.
That's enough. Buff that off now, yeah.
There we go, stand back and admire our work. This car's got loads of dents all over it because it is the demo car, but there you go, you can see that one there is completely gone. So a bit of patience is required. It's not the easiest thing to do. It looks a doddle, but it does take a little bit of patience. Of course, you can use a slide hammer as well if you prefer to. You just follow the same process, bit of spray on after as well, just to remove the excess glue, peel that off, and then give it a bit of a buff up, making sure you knock down any high spots, and if there's any low spots, and just lift again. Quite straightforward. Some people might prefer to do it that way. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave me a comment below. I'll reply to all positive comments. Why not subscribe to my YouTube channel?